Yan fam, so dinner time. And nandiyan ang aking mommy. Say hi, mommy. Say hi. Yes, that's our mommy Doctora from the Philippines, from Davao, Philippines. So Bisaya jud kay mi og Ilonggo. Di ba, mommy? Pag binisaya na, ma'am. Bisaya.
Kumusta? Namin din sa Scone.
New South Wales, Australia. Oh. And that's my daddy.
Hi, hello, good evening. How are you?
Oh, di ba? DJ ang boses ng daddy. DJ ang boses lagi ng daddy.
Here in Scone.
Right, so we're gonna be having some dinner. Australian beef. You.
Then you like that. And then Momantindo.
And of course, meron kaming wine dito.
Mama here.
Ano to? Banrock Crimson Cabernet. One of the favorite na. And fam, this is just $9.99. So ganyan kamura ang wines dito. And of course, my pamangkin is here. Hi, you say hi. Hi. What's up, yo?
I drive monster trucks and I go to preschool and I did jumps by my monster trucks and I drive for monster trucks.
Alright, okay. Are you having fun in Australia, kuya? Opo, hindi po.
Are you sure? Yes, I am.
Okay, yes you are. Alright. So, kain lang muna kami fam and see ya later. Good morning, fam. And yan, nasimulan natin sa mainit na kape. And it's right now 1 a.m. here in New South Wales, Australia. So today nga pala kami babiyahe from Scone, New South Wales to Gold Coast, Queensland. And it's actually nearby Byron Bay, which is the venue of my brother's wedding. Sobrang madaling araw, 1 a.m. But yeah, for the love, syempre, gising na tayo and pabiyahe na. So, quick breakfast lang kami ng family and then, biyahe na. So, drive tayo gabi. Siguro mga around 8 to 9 hours yung drive natin. So, hopefully mapalitan din tayo ng ating sister or mapapalitan tayo ni Donna. So, okay. See you later.
Saan tayo, Daddy?
Sa Armidale
Armidale.
City. It's a city going north to Brisbane. This is after 3 hours of driving na kami. So medyo pagod na. Pero nakakapagpahinga naman. So syempre rock and roll pa rin.
Yeah.
5, anong oras tayo
Time check.
umalis? Parang 2:30 ba tayo umalis? So right now
Time check
it's
is
5:30.
5:40, yeah. 5:30.
Ayan. On our way to Brisbane. Gold Coast pala, Gold Coast. Queensland. Yan.
Good morning, fam!
Maayong buntag, Canada and Calgary. Na ami karon sa New South Wales, Australia gihapon. Nandito pa rin kami.
Armidale.
Yan, dito pa rin kami sa Armidale naman.
Nag-stop over tayo sa
New South Wales.
Macas.
Yep. So,
Sa Macas.
nag-drive na kami para sa main event namin going to Brisbane or Gold Coast rather for my brother's event, brother's wedding. So, mga 8 hours to from Scone. Then, mga 3 hours na tayong nagda-drive ngayon. Hindi pa halfway. Yeah, 1/3 pa lang of the way. So, nasa Armidale kami ngayon. And napakalayo na outback. Nag-outback na nga kami.
Yan.
Nag-outback drive na nga kami.
Ayan, inabutan na tayo ng morning.
Yeah, medyo nasasanay na rin ako mag-drive ng right hand. Medyo gumagaling na tayo. And so, yeah, very good ang experience so far. Very thrilling. Ngayon lang umaraw, buong drive ko ng 2 hours ba? Gabi.
3 hours almost.
Yeah,
yes.
gabi. And then, good kasi tulog lang ng mga kids. And so far,
Busy, busy.
enjoying. So, pag-drop,
With auntie. Yay!
pagdaan namin ng McDonald's, ginising namin sila para makakain.
Yeah. And
Yeah. Alright, so update kami ulit maya-maya pag after,
Sunny.
siguro mga after 1 to 2 hours.
Yeah.
Okay?
See ya! Ooh, look at that. Hello, Pam. Quick update lang.
Nasa Hernani, Armidale Road na kami.
Armidale,
Still
yeah.
in New South Wales. So,
Yeah.
grabe ang haba na ng ano na to. Drive na to. It's around 4 hours of driving na. So, meron pa kaming 3 hours remaining
3 hours and a half.
bago kami makarating ng Gold Coast. So, ang target nga pala namin ay Currumbin
Yeah, Kurupin.
Zoo. Parang ano siya, parang tropical zoo na nandun ang mga koalas and kangaroos. So, para sa mga kids naman talaga.
Yeah.
Kasi si Donna and ako, si Mommy Donna and ako, nakapag-hug na kami before ng kangaroo
Koala.
and koala.
That's
So,
right.
this time naman, ang target namin baka experience ng gano'n
Ang
ay
kids.
ang mga
Yeah.
kiddos. Si Naven and si Lianica. Oh, pati na rin si ate Zia and si Zekaya. Anak
That's
ni
right.
Louis, yung brother ko.
The cousins.
Yeah, the cousin. So, hindi pa din sila nakaka-try na.
Sobrang, anong Tagalog, kipot o kitid ng
Yeah.
ng road ng Australia o dahil nasanay lang kasi tayo sa malaking
Yeah, mas malaking
malaking daanan
road.
sa Canada.
Siguro dahil may kailangan paglagyan ng snow, may kailangan.
Yeah, look at
Pero
that.
yeah, look at that. Yeah,
So,
that's the road.
and ano lang din siya, 2 lane, but then sobrang kitid, kipot ng daan. Ayan, kung makikita nyo naman,
And then mas lalo pang gumulo kasi
nasa left side.
nasa left side ako nagda-drive. So mas challenging for me.
That's right.
100% concentration talaga.
That's correct.
Yan na.
Yan,
Alright, so
so,
see you later.
later.
Update kami ulit.
Hey fam! A little update. Andito na kami sa next town.
Which is Ulmara. I'm not sure if it's still North or New South Wales, baka Queensland na.
Ulmara.
But yeah, and we've been driving for about 5 hours na. It's 2 a.m. and
Yeah.
now it's
9:50. So,
7 hours na ako nag-drive.
yeah. Kasi nag-stop over pa tayo, di ba? So, and tayo mga stop over pa kahit pa paano. So, maabot na tayo ng 7 hours.
So 2 hours more. 2 hours more.
Para ma-reach ang Currumbin Sanctuary.
Currumbin Sanctuary, Wildlife Sanctuary, which is, ayun nga, it's a zoo. That's really nice. And doon kami makakakita ng kangaroos and koala. Hi to all the fam bam.
And here's
Probinsya.
probinsya vibe talaga siya.
Yeah. Parang naisip nga namin ni Donna yung probinsya niya.
Yeah,
Sa
para siyang
Laguna.
Laguna. Going to Louisiana. Sa aking munting bayan. Alright.
So para may idea kayo kung saan yung probinsya ni Donna, kung alam niyo yung Hulugan Falls, yun ang probinsya ni Donna. Kung nasaan yung Hulugan Falls, sa bayan ng Luciana, Laguna.
Kalapit niya ang Pagsanhan, Laguna.
Yeah, sakto yan fam. Kung mga viewers natin sa Pilipinas, if you could visit summertime, sarap dun. Sobrang sulit ng bisita dun sa Hulugan Falls. And then after nung town nyo nga is
Lukban, Quezon.
Lukban naman. So after nyo mag-Hulugan Falls, pumunta naman kayo ng Lukban para kumain ng pansit hap-hap.
That's right. Quezon naman ang Pahiyas Festival. So, ito naman yung merong every May Pahiyas Festival. Alright. So,
Okay,
we're on
so
the road.
update kami mamaya ulit
Later.
after siguro pagdating na dun sa zoo.
Yep.
So medyo malapit na naman, 2 hours na lang. Great, so see ya!
Alright, see ya!
Hi fam! So, 1 hour na lang ang ating babiyahiin. At
Yes!
makakarating na tayo sa Gold Coast. So happy kami kasi at last nasa highway na kami ngayon. Kanina kasi mga 2-hour drive din, 3-hour drive din,
Yeah.
na nasa bulubundukin kaming bahagi ng Australia. So sobrang nakakahilo. So ngayon parang steady na lang.
Hello, fam! And we are here in Gold Coast now. Pero 10 minutes pa tayo sa Currumbin Sanctuary. Pero andito na kami sa City of
Gold
Gold
Coast.
Coast.
Yan.
Finally.
Ayun.
Yes, safe and sound nakarating ng
Nakikita ko
Gold
na yung
Coast.
mga mga sign na Surfers Paradise.
This one, Brisbane, Gold Coast,
Yan. Currumbin.
Currumbin.
Yeah. So, let's go. Konti na lang. 10 minutes.
Galing ni Daddy. Siya lang nag-drive.
Straight.
Hindi na kami nagpalit ng
2
drive.
a.m. to 12. 10 hours na.
Hindi na kami nagpalit ng
9-hour driving na ako. Right. Yeah.
Galing. Thanks, Daddy, for driving. How many
10
minutes? 10 minutes po. Yay! See you later, Pam! Woohoo! We are here!
Yan na, Currumbin.
Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary! Yay! We are here finally!
Yeah, malapit na. Parang 2 minutes na lang, 2 minutes. Yeah.
Nakakapahinga na po si Daddy at
Yeah,
ang
nainis
aming
na si Lianica, nagka-cry na kasi
Yes,
ang
it's
tagal
too
na ng
long.
biyahe namin, 9 hours na. It's okay, anak.
and we are
We're
here na.
almost
Ayan
here.
na, anak.
Ayan na, oh.
Ayan na. Wow. Who's going to hug koala bear? Me. 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 Ayan.
The world's longest free ferry ride
Saan?
sails across British Columbia.
Yeah.
59 feet.
Yeah. Sa Victoria na siya pa, sa Victoria.